Sweetie, how was school today?
Good. Maybe do you wanna try some? Enjoy it.
Sweetie! Come on.
Dad, could you imagine? Abby really eats the bread. I saw it.
I wonder what it was. Let's check. Oh, maybe this is it. It's a dog!
Wow, what's that?
It was the dog. Can you see? You remember?
Nice to meet you, Daisy.
Where brilliance meets basics. VUEROID.